What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that adds more meaning to a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, when, where, or to what extent an action happens. Let's see some examples. She runs quickly. The word quickly is an adverb. It tells how she runs. He came yesterday. The word yesterday is an adverb. It tells when he came. They live nearby. The word nearby is an adverb. It tells where they live. So adverbs make our sentences more meaningful and help explain actions clearly. Major types of adverbs. 1. Adverb of manner. It explains how an action happens. Example, she sings beautifully. The word beautifully is an adverb of manner. It tells how she sings. 2. Adverb of place. It explains where an action happens. Example, the children are playing outside. The word outside is an adverb of place. It tells where they are playing. 3. Adverb of time. It explains when an action happens. Example, he will visit tomorrow. The word tomorrow is an adverb of time. It tells when he will visit. 4. Adverb of frequency. It explains how often an action happens. Example, she always wakes up early. The word always is an adverb of frequency. It tells how often she wakes up. 5. Adverb of degree. It explains to what extent something happens. Example, the water is very cold. The word very is an adverb of degree. It tells to what extent the water is cold.
The teacher asked the question softly. She closed the door gently so no one heard. The soldier fought bravely in the war. The driver parked the car carefully. The children ran quickly to catch the bus. The children are playing outside in the garden. She searched everywhere for her missing notebook. The cat is hiding under the sofa. The students are going abroad for their summer vacation. The birds are flying above the trees. We will go for a picnic tomorrow. The stars will shine brightly tonight. He has already completed his project. The teacher will arrive soon to check the papers. We brush our teeth daily. We never eat junk food because it's unhealthy. I sometimes visit my cousins during holidays. It rarely rains in the desert. We go for a walk regularly in the park. I go for a medical checkup once every year. The weather was too cold for swimming. The work is nearly finished. Only a few tasks remain. I could hardly hear what he was saying in the noisy room. The sun was shining intensely in the afternoon. She was very happy with her exam results. She sings beautifully and practices daily in her room. He will arrive tomorrow and stay nearby at his friend's house. The children played happily in the park yesterday and returned home tired. The children ran quickly to the playground and shouted loudly. She spoke softly to the baby and smiled warmly while feeding him now. I am very tired and will sleep early tonight. The teacher explained the lesson very clearly to the students yesterday. He completed his homework quickly, checked it carefully, and submitted it today. The painting was completely ruined here in the gallery. I am extremely excited because we are leaving tomorrow for the trip early.